2022, and for 18-year-old Rohan, the sprawling campus of the National Institute of Technology, Warangal, felt like a universe away from his small town in rural Kerala. He'd arrived with a suitcase full of clothes, a beat-up laptop, and a head brimming with dreams of building bridges, designing robots, and maybe, just maybe, changing the world. He was an engineering student now, specifically mechanical engineering, and the weight of that title felt both exhilarating and terrifying. The initial days were a blur of introductions, orientation sessions, and the dizzying process of finding his footing in a sea of equally bright, equally nervous freshmen. His dorm room, a cramped space he shared with two others, quickly became a microcosm of student life. Late-night talks, instant noodle feasts, and the perpetual scent of stale coffee. Rohan quickly discovered that engineering wasn't just about formulas and diagrams. It was a relentless marathon of problem solving. His first semester was a baptism by fire. Thermodynamics, engineering graphics, basic electrical and electronics. Each subject felt like a new language he had to master overnight. He'd spend hours in the library poring over textbooks, his brow furrowed in concentration. Often he'd find himself staring at a problem, completely bewildered, while his roommate, a coding whiz from Bengaluru, would effortlessly type out solutions on his laptop. The initial feeling of inadequacy was a constant companion. There were moments of despair. A particularly brutal midterm in engineering mechanics left him feeling utterly defeated. He called his parents, the shame of a failing grade heavy in his throat. His mother, ever practical, simply said, "Fall down 7 times, stand up 8, my son." But amidst the struggles, there were sparks of joy and camaraderie. The late-night group study sessions, fueled by endless cups of chai from the campus canteen, became a lifeline. They'd bounce ideas off each other, explain concepts patiently, and celebrate small breakthroughs. The successful derivation of a complex formula, the precise drawing of a challenging component. He learned to code Python for a project, initially hating it, then slowly finding a strange satisfaction in the logic of it all. The practical labs were where Rohan truly started to come alive. The whirring of machines in the workshop, the smell of sawdust and metal, the thrill of seeing a design come to life, even if it was just a small, wobbly prototype. He joined the robotics club, spending countless hours after classes, tinkering with wires, circuits, and sensors. The first time their small robot, affectionately named Sparky, successfully navigated an obstacle course, the collective cheer of the team was louder than any exam result. As the years progressed, the initial terror slowly morphed into a quiet confidence. He learned to manage his time, balancing demanding coursework with club activities and the occasional cricket match. He found mentors among his seniors and professors who encouraged his burgeoning interest in sustainable energy systems. He started to see the bigger picture, how the abstract theories in his textbooks translated into tangible solutions for real-world problems. By his final year, 2026, Rohan was no longer the nervous boy who had first arrived. He was still the quiet, diligent student, but now with a seasoned understanding of his craft. His final year project, a solar-powered water purification system for rural communities, was his magnum opus, a culmination of all the late nights, the frustrations, and the moments of unexpected clarity. On graduation day, as he walked across the stage to receive his degree, a wave of emotions washed over him. The grueling assignments, the sleepless nights, the moments of self-doubt, they all coalesced into a profound sense of accomplishment. He hadn't just learned engineering, he had learned resilience, teamwork, and the unwavering belief that even the most complex problems could be broken down, understood, and ultimately overcome. His dreams of changing the world still burned bright, but now he had the tools, and more importantly, the spirit to truly begin.